We are now going to use slope as an aid to graphing. And so what we're going to show you is if we know what the slope is and if we have a point, we can draw any linear equation. So we're going to start with, as a simple example, suppose we have x minus 3y equals 9, and we're going to draw that on our Cartesian plane. So we're going to start by showing that first we want this in slope-intercept form. So we're going to subtract x. So we get minus 3y equals minus x minus 9. Then we divide everything by negative 3, so that y is by itself. Negative divided by negative is positive. X divided by 3 is, I'm going to write it as 1/3 x so that I can see my slope easily. Negative 9 divided by negative 3 becomes positive 3. So remember, this value is my y-intercept. So I already have a point. I can go up 1, 2, 3, and there's my intercept at negative 3. So it matches, positive 3, so it matches this point right here. But now I've got the slope of 1/3. And remember that slope is defined as a rise over a run. So it says if I go up this much, I need to go over this much. So if I, in this case, if I go up 1, then I go 3 to the right. So I can go up 1 and over 1, 2, 3. And I can do that again. But a really neat trick, especially when you're drawing on someone else's Cartesian plane, like on a test, and you need to show that you know what you're doing and you don't want to go over, you've got a big slope, is you can actually go down 1 and to the left 3, and that'll give you the same effect. Down 1 and back 3. And that's the same thing as going up 1 and over 3. It's also possible to do the run first, go over 3, and down 1. We just need to remember that the rise comes from the top and the run comes from the bottom. But as long as I do the same thing, up and then right if it's positive, then I get my, well, let's draw this a little bit straighter, straight line. Just as a further example, suppose that I have y equals negative 2/3 x plus 5. Well, same thing. We start up at positive 5. And then now we've got a couple of options. We can either go down 2 as a negative 2 and to the right 3 as a positive 3, or we can go up 2 and to the left 3, because that'll give us negative 2 or positive 2 over negative 3. Either of these will work. So if I go down 2 and over 1, 2, 3, then I'm sitting right here. But if I go up 2, I can go to the left 1, 2, 3. These tick marks are really nicely even. Let's say that's 2. There. And I get this line, and notice that it still carefully follows my slope. From any point on this line, I can go down 2 and over 1, 2, 3 and still be on it. Or I can go up 2 and back 3 and get back. And so that's using the slope as an aid for graphing.